Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Editing Mindset. If your PC won't boot or you're running into startup problems, you can create a Windows 11 recovery USB drive using another working computer. This will help you restore Windows 11 and fix the boot issue. Now, keep in mind the recovery USB drive only stores a copy of your Windows 11 installation files. It's not a direct fix for boot problems on its own. What it actually does is reset your PC back to its original state. Just a heads up, after resetting, you'll lose your apps and files. Let's create a Windows 11 recovery USB drive. We'll be using the built-in recovery drive tool, which works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Next, type Recovery Drive into the search bar and open the Recovery Drive app. Check the box that says Backup System Files to the Recovery Drive, then click Next. Give it a moment. This step takes a little time. Select your USB flash drive, then click Create. The tool will now start building your Windows Recovery USB. Once it's done, your Windows 11 Recovery USB is ready to go. Using the Recovery USB to restore Windows 11. Whenever your Windows 11 installation gets corrupted or fails to load or repair itself, insert your recovery USB drive into the computer, then power it on. While the PC is starting up, press and hold the boot menu key to bring up the boot manager. Select your keyboard language, then choose Recover from a drive. This tells the computer to use the Windows 11 copy stored on your USB drive. You'll then be asked to choose between Just remove my files or Fully clean the drive. Both options remove your personal files and apps. The difference is in how thorough the cleanup is. At the end of the day, there are always risks that can affect your operating system: corrupted files, disk errors, buggy updates, and more. Having a recovery USB drive on hand means you'll always have a way to bring Windows 11 back to life, even if it can't repair itself.